Auto Repair SEO that gets results. At Customer Scout, we want to help your automotive repair center be a leader in your market. Our online marketing experts provide proven search engine optimization services to local service shops. Through our exclusive services, we can position your automotive business to compete against both national chains and independent shops in your area. Customer Scout is the Automotive SEO Experts, strategic local search engine optimization for fixed ops. Get in front of more customers. Our goal is to drive more service and parts-related searches to your website. Now is the time to take over your market for fixed ops. Exclusive SEO against independent shops. Most SEO does not target service and focuses only on sales. We think it's time to change that. Don't miss out on revenue. If you don't show up for Google searches, you don't get the traffic. Optimized for search engines. All we do is SEO. We include monthly SEO changes, custom model pages and schema, on-site blogs, GMB posts, and more. Everything delivered to you in transparent reporting and monthly strategy meetings. Request a demo at www.customerscout.com.